In this video, we will see the use of ls command in Linux. So ls command is basically used to display the list of file and directories, and it also provides the information about the file and directories and their attributes. The syntax is ls, then we need to give the option and then give the file or directory name. Let's see some useful option of ls command. These are the options we can use with the ls command. So let's start the lab. We will see each of them one by one. Now we are in the lab setup. I am using CentOS to record this video. First, I want to show you if I give only a ls command. So see what is display. ls and then give enter. Only the ls command show us the directories and files exist in this user. So now if I give the options one by one, first we use ls-l option is basically give the detail about the file and directory. So ls-l and then enter. This command provides us the details about the directories and files. First, it shows the permission of the directory, the link, the user and group access, and the size and the last modification date. Now we are coming to the next point or next option. Let's clear the screen, and now we will see the option -a ls-a and give enter. This option -a option basically display the files and directory including the hidden files. Name or file name followed by dot, that is the hidden file. So these are the hidden files. Now let's move the next option, clear the screen, and now we will see the option -t is basically sort the files and directory by the last modification. That means ls-t, if I give this command and press enter, this is the directory mnt desktop. In this sequence, the folder, the directory is last modified. So if I give a more clarity, let's create one directory, mkdir. I'll give the directory name new. So ls-l, we can see one directory is created by the name new. Okay, so this is my latest directory which I am creating right now. So now if I give the command ls-t and press enter, you can see new is come to the first. That means that this is the latest directory. Now if I modify something in this mnt directory, that means let me go to the enter the directory mnt, and I am creating one file, one blank file, touch test. So one blank file is created with the name test. Now I am come out from the directory and I am giving the command ls-t, enter. You can see the mnt is come first. That means this is the last modified directory. Now we will move the next option, that is hyphen capital S. Clear? ls hyphen capital S is basically sort the directory by size. The largest directory come first. So if I give enter, this is the file. So this file size is larger than everyone, so that's why it's come first. So if I give the command ls-l, you can see this anaconda case.cfg, this file size is 8 880 bits, so that's why it's come first. Now let's move the next option, that is capital R. Clear? This capital R basically lists the directory recursively and also include the subdirectories. So ls hyphen capital R is basically shows the subdirectories. So that means inside desktop these are the files and directories exist. For better understand, this is the directory I have created previously, mnt, and inside mnt I just create one test file, so you can see that what is the content belongs to that particular directory. Now clear? Now next option which we will move, that is hyphen I, is basically shows the index number of the directory. So ls hyphen I, you can see that the index number of directories and files. Now let's move the next option, that is hyphen G. Hyphen G is basically display the group ownership of each file and directories. So ls hyphen G, enter. So previously when I give ls-l, it shows the user and group. So now it only shows the group permission, group ownership, sorry, not permission, group ownership of that particular directory. Now next move on the next option, that is hyphen H. Hyphen H is basically used to display the size of the directory and files in human readable format. So ls hyphen lh, now you can see this is the human readable format in bit. It's come, total size is 4 KB. Okay, so now the next option which we will uh, see, that is hyphen D. It's basically display the directory rather than content. That's mean if I clear the screen, ls hyphen D, it shows the directory. This is the root directory. So for better understand, I will show you that. Let's do pwd. I am in root right now, so ls hyphen l d, then give mnt. Mnt is not coming, actually it's a home directory of root folder, and then mnt. Sorry, I gave the wrong command. That will be ls, not ld. So see, only the directory name is coming, not, it's not showing any content of the directory. So it's now I am concluding this video right now. So if you have any comments, please give it in the comment box, and please subscribe my channel for getting more video. Thank you.